Panalo ang Gilas Pilipinas sa kanilang unang game sa SEA Games. Tinambakan lang ang Malaysia. Naghalimaw si Bobby Ray Parks. Hindi malabo na baka mapasama nga ulit ito sa Gilas pool ni Coach Tim Cone. Parang home court lang ng Pilipinas. Grabe ang suporta ng mga Pinoy sa ating national team. Pero bago nga yan, eto solid na basketball Molten. Dating 1,437 pesos. Ngayon nga ay mabibili mo na lang ng 475 pesos sa Shopee. Limited offer lang nga ito. Kaya ano pang hinihintay mo? Click mo na nga yung link sa comment section sa ibaba.
Ng 33rd SEA Games. John Sulit po with Dr. J. Andy Howe bringing the action. The debut Malaysia.
Yes, and very good afternoon. Oh, good drive to the basket and one time. Macho right, si Malonzo, sturdy, si Bobby Ray Parks, and a 3-point.
Either kasi debuting for Gilas or nagbabalik. And Matthew Wright.
Well, alam naman natin
A lot of complications and there were a lot of concerns nung binubuo itong team na to. And that's gonna count.
about 2-3 weeks. 3 weeks, I think, more or less to prepare. Outside shot here, and that's Bobby Ray.
Earlier, it was Matthew Wright who hit one.
Alam mo talaga oh, that's a nice, good drive to the basket. Ang kanilang coach dito is like a foreigner, is Felton Sealy, well known. Oh, nice shot from the
Asian Games though, back in 2017.
Okay. Ayan.
Pero ito ring Bangkok, masarap din.
Heck.
Pero nung pinasok na si Poy, may mga balita rin na hindi.
And sakripisyo on the part of Erab. He's just coming back from an injury that
Russia, it's Lee pushing it. Wong, his shot goes in.
And the lead is
Kasi nga plus 26 yung Malaysia in
against
their win.
Vietnam. Yeah. Oh, nice 3-point shot at lumang.
You talk about Abu Tratter, di ba, that he's gonna be taking on that
Oh!
main center role. Wow, that's
Marami pang oras yan. 7 seconds to go pa yan.
Vaughn, dead shot from
Yes.
deep, knocks it down. Jason out to Wong Yi.
Good offensive rebound here. Another miss on the inside. Pero fight.
With Panopio, so you really get a lot of guards.
Ayan na si Justin Chua right away.
Ball back, but only with 4 seconds to shoot. Panopio in trouble. Had to fire it up and found the bottom.
Against your team.
And the game is tied once again, 22 apiece. Malaysia has not
No,
scored
good job.
until that match. It looks like the Malaysian player is down. All on the other side could not finish Ting with a tip-in.
Mga players natin dito, they haven't really played well much together with each other. And this is the balik ng Sierra. But good rebound. Chua did give 2 points. And here we go again.
Ray Parks has taken over.
Open. He didn't catch it clean.
Oh, blocked by Bolik.
He didn't catch it clean.
Another one. Robert Bolik, the center of the Philippines.
Nakaka-4 na puntos ng boards and follow-up shots. Oh,
Nice
sinayaw
move by
pa.
Bolik.
Yes, and
Finishing
one.
through the foul. Parks takes another 3.
Oh.
Ray hits his third.
Best. Laking bagay talaga si Eram. Oo, nice. Oh, pero nakalusot yun.
We can't afford any of our bigs to go down.
And we don't have too much.
Yeah.
Well,
Thought about the 3. Back to Matthew. Extra pass. Now from the corner. Panopio hits the 3.
stroke side that you keep on passing to there. It's very easy for the defense. Now, this that look good
Pull-up jumper. Malaysia scores again.
right now. See.
Bowling.
You have to take the shot when you're open. You cannot hesitate.
Medyo nauna to si Chua kumpara kina Eram at kina...
Slaughter.
Yeah. And nawala sa kanya yung bola. And that was a good team. He has been busy as team consultant, assistant coach, pero ngayon na lang ulit siya naging head. Parks has to take it. Good line. Hindi lang pumasok. Ravenna with the offensive rebound.
Wala na, go down. Stop complaining and start playing. Ayun,
Because if you don't, it's Vietnam. No, kasi di ba kung mag-end up na 1-all lahat o magkaroon ng quotient system, another chance. Wow!
Ganda play,
Man, even better defense, though.
Saka medyo marunong. Para ka maglaro as a dayo. Nice pass.
Alonso! Of course, on top of all of this.
But the rules of Thailand is not the feeble. Tingnan natin kung makatapos tayo dyan ng pass play.
They opt for a 3, and it goes! Park shadowing Tin Chun Hong.
Magaling talaga ito.
But yeah, 5-on-5 basketball sa 33rd Southeast Asian Games. Alonso hits a 3 as well. Because you
hindi.
play one less game.
Although I think sa Philippines, we could use
He has the ball now. Ray says, excuse me to the deep.